Hi, welcome back to another edition of At Home with Winning Appliances. I'm Bronte, Culinary Expert, and today we'll be cooking in the Wolf kitchen. We'll be preparing a granola using simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Today we have 2 1/4 cups of rolled oats, 3/4 of a cup of chopped pecans. If you've got anything else in your pantry such as figs or pistachios, walnuts, currants, you can just throw it in at this stage. We also have 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We'll whisk those together until they form a nice consistency, and then we'll just mix those in with the dry ingredients. This is a great recipe to do with the family, with children. If you're at home with the kids unexpectedly and need a quick snack or to keep them busy, it's a great way to use up everything that's in your pantry, and it's great to have just in a jar ready to go for each morning. So that's all mixed through. Now we'll spread this onto the tray, line that with some parchment paper so it doesn't get all sticky at the bottom, and spread out in a nice thin layer. We've preheated the oven to 115 degrees Celsius in the convection mode in our beautiful Wolf M series oven. The thing about this oven is its incredible ability to spread heat evenly for such a large cavity. Now this is possible due to the 2 vertical fans at the rear of the oven that circulate the air super evenly to ensure that everything's cooked at a great rate. Now we're going to pop this in the oven for 40 minutes. It's also got a soft open, which always comes in handy for such a large door. It's been 40 minutes, so let's quickly check on the granola and give it a little turn. We'll just toss it lightly to ensure that everything's getting crunchy. And then it'll go in for another 30. It's been 30 minutes in the oven and it's beginning to smell beautiful here in the kitchen. So let's get that granola out. As you can see, everything is super even and golden and crunchy thanks to our dual vertical fan. Let's plate it up. So I have here some Greek yogurt, which is my favorite because it's a little bit sour and super thick. Top that with some of our fresh granola and some fresh fruit as well if you'd like, maybe some honey, extra dried fruit. We have some passion fruit here. And there you are, super simple, pantry staple item granola, toasted in our Wolf oven. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and check out our website for more recipes like this one. See you next time.